everyone, welcome. In this session, we're going to explore Adho Mukha Svanasana, which is downward facing dog pose, and we're going to use a chair. This is a really unique variation. It's from our friend Eyal Shifroni, his book, A Chair for Yoga. So you'll need a chair and you'll need a blanket or a towel. Also have a wall handy. You can bring the short edge of your mat to the wall. You're going to take the chair rail to the front groins. And to measure this, you have the back of the chair facing the wall. And then just bring your heels into the wall, towards the wall, and then start to come forward so the front groins are onto the back chair rail, not the abdomen. The abdomen should feel free. And then you ground the heels into the wall and then start to release the torso down towards the chair seat. So you can see for me, the chair is hitting me at the collarbone area. Just depending on your proportions, this may be different for you. Then walk your hands forward. You can see I'm crawling my fingertips forward. That gives me a little bit more length and extension in the side torso, the side chest area. And then you can release the head down. Okay, keep pressing the thighs back. And you can press your palms down to the floor, or you can keep your fingertips up, your hands up being on the fingertips. Also, if you can't quite get the extension, you can take bricks underneath your hands, and you can also take bricks underneath the feet, just depending again on the proportions. And then to come out, walk your hands back, bring your hands onto the chair seat, and then slowly come on up. This variation is wonderful for getting a spreading and an opening action in the lower back, and also a deep feeling of release in the abdomen, in the lower abdomen. Happy practicing, and namaste.